Hey guys, welcome back to MrYouWho, and I'm really excited today to be talking about what I'm using a lot to actually do a lot of my videos. So I've had a lot of subscribers and viewers reach out and say, Andy, the audio quality is really good in your videos, especially compared to your previous videos. What are you using at the moment to get such good audio? Well guys, I'm using the RODE Lavalier GO in most cases. So I'm going to use some other microphones in the future, which I'll be doing reviews on. This is currently my go-to microphone that I'm using. The reason being is it's very, very portable. So as you can see, it sits just here on my shirt, and it creates very, very good quality sound. So what I want to do is I want to start by doing an unboxing of it to show you what comes in the box. There's that much in there, and then do some tests of it. So I'm going to show you with it on, with it off, talk about some of the features. Then I'm going to go and use it with my actual iPhone, so you can see how it transforms the noise, the sound on my iPhone as well. It's been a game changer for me. Now I've also done a video about how to set up a home studio. Now you can also see the links there to that as well below, so you can view that as well. But yeah, RODE Lavalier GO, very, very easy to set up. So let's jump in there now. Let's do an unboxing of the box and then come across and look how it's set up. Let's do that now at MrYouWho. So here's the box for RODE Lavalier GO, and we're about to take it open and take a look at what's inside. Now, as you can see, it's a professional grade lavalier mic with 3.5mm TRS jack as well. It's also compatible with the RODE Wireless GO transmission, which you can use. Now, if we take a look and open it up, now it's got a discrete 4.5mm miniature microphone inside, as you can see here. Now, it comes with a nice pouch. You can see it's quite easy to open there. There's no real instruction guides in this, but it's pretty straightforward to use. There's a RODE microphone branding at the front there. Now, if you take it open, it also comes with a pop shield and durable mounting clip. I found it pretty easy to use, the mounting clip. You just kind of put it on there and then clip it onto your shirt. It's also got a Kevlar reinforced cable, which is very, very handy. And this is an omnidirectional mic as well. So omnidirectional means they can hear from different angles. Well guys, I hope you liked that unboxing. Now if you love our videos, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button for all the latest videos from us. Now, I don't just use the RODE Lavalier GO as well. So as you can see to start with, it sits really well on the shirt. So t-shirt, business shirt, clips very, very well on there. And I put the cord under my shirt as well, so you can't see it. It's omnidirectional as well, which means it picks up sound from all over. So it doesn't really matter where you're talking into it. Now I'm in a big room here, and you can't get any echo as well, which I think is really good. Now I use a Sony ZV-1 camera, which I plug this into. Now I plug it in with an extension cord because the RODE mic is, as you can see, quite small, not very, very big. So I've got around, I think, a 3-meter extension cord, which I plug into the camera, which I find works very, very well. So now I want to show you guys what it's like without the actual RODE mic. It's a massive difference. So I'm going to unplug it now. Okay guys, when I actually unplugged the microphone, it didn't work. So you can hear me now talking directly into the camera. This is what this sounds like. So yeah, when I unplugged it, it just continued to, had no noise at all. So here's what it sounds like when I'm just doing the camera. As you can see, echoey, low quality, doesn't sound very, very good at all. So we're going to switch back on the microphone and you can see the difference. How's that sound? I'm back again. Massive sound difference. Now I did use the RODE GO Mic Pro, which sits on the top, which is a horseshoe one, which you can see here. I found that worked quite well if I want to put the camera in front of me and be talking directly into it. That worked very, very well. But for this kind of video, I need to have a microphone. So very, very good. Now also I want to use my iPhone now to show you how it works. So I've got iPhone Pro 15 here, iPhone Pro 15 Max. Now the sound in the iPhone is okay. But by using the RODE Lavalier GO, it transforms it completely. So let's do that now. So to start with, I've got you're gonna have a plug that goes from the iPhone there and goes into it. So to get the plug just there, get that from the Apple store, get it from electrical retailers. Again, links in the bottom if you want it. You then need to use a RODE SC4 adapter. So the adapter essentially takes the sound from your iPhone and converts it into a way that the actual microphone can pick it up. So that is this one just here. Again, links below. I think it's about 20 bucks to purchase it. That was about 20 bucks. Yeah, it doesn't cost a lot to do it. And plug that in there just like that. So it converts the sound so the RODE mic can pick it up. Plug it in. Now I'm going to unplug this and I'm going to plug the sound into the iPhone so you can see the difference. I'm going to do it just now. You can actually hear me talking through the iPhone volume. Again, you can see me doing it picture so you can see on both that I'm talking. So as you can see, the sound quality is very, very good. Now without this on the iPhone, I'm going to show you what it sounds like now and you can see the dramatic difference with how it sounds. So I'm going to unplug it. So now I'm talking on the iPhone and now you can hear how it sounds. So as you can see, the volume is very, very different. So again, this works very, very well. I'm going to plug it in, but I'm going to go back now to the... And just like that, guys, I'm back. That's the great thing with it. It's very, very easy to use. Simple plug and play. You can put the RODE GO in your laptop bag, take it around or on your filming equipment, plug it out and start using it. Don't be like me though. I actually lost it. I lost the whole set, so it cost me about 150 bucks. So yeah, well done, MrYouWho. Wasn't that brilliant, but anyway. So if you want to purchase the RODE GO, there's links in the description below. Again, you're paying for the name. RODE is synonymous with audio quality. The microphone works very well. Yeah, it's really, really good. So make sure you let me know what you think. Also, check out other videos, subscribe to the channel, click the notification button, and thanks again as always for joining us here at MrYouWho.